Good morning. It's National Dog Day. My dogs love peanut butter. So in honor of in honor of Two-Tone, hi buddy. Say hi, Two-Tone. There's my buddy. Come here, Turbo. And in honor of Turbo, there he is. He loves my tie. Good boy. And in honor of Zig, here goes Zig. That's Ziggy. We're doing a peanut butter, and I mean a lot. This is more than a regular gob. This is a big old gob. That'll never make it in the shake. I'm going to do some chocolate fudge in there and Bacillus, 2 scoops, and some chocolate silk almond milk. Big sale today at Dillard's. Big sale. 40% off of things that are on sale already. Some things are already marked. Good Lord. Who put this on here? There we go. Some things are already marked 65% off, plus an additional 40. So, that's the deal. Where's my whirly bird? Here. Here we go. This is gonna be good. Hey, boy. Peanut butter and chocolate. Now, hallelujah, that's good. Woo! I'm sorry, Zig, did I scare you? Okay. Go have a good day with your dog. Treat him good. Get him treats. And I tell you what my dogs love. My dogs love these with peanut butter on them. They love them. They're going to get several today because it's National Dog Day.